Don't to forget subscribe, like, share, and comment.
This is Doctor Strange. His powers include manipulating time and traveling to the virtual world of Doctor Strange. Batman is a superhero known for his intelligence, detective skills, and advanced technology. He doesn't have superpowers but relies on his physical strength, martial arts skills, and high-tech gadgets to fight crime. Ant-Man is a superhero who has the ability to shrink his body to the size of an ant while still retaining, or even enhancing, his normal human strength. Thor is the god of thunder and a superhero from Asgard. He possesses incredible strength and wields a magical hammer called Mjolnir. This is Thor's car, which is silver, red, and blue. Now let's try to hit Thor with it. Will the car be able to knock him down? And it turns out the car was able to knock him down in just one try. The car is incredibly fast and powerful. Groot and Rocket are two hero characters from the Guardians of the Galaxy. Groot is a giant tree-like creature who can only say, "I am Groot," but he has great strength and the ability to regenerate. Rocket is a smart raccoon, a weapons expert, and highly skilled in technology and battle strategy.
Yeah.
Black Panther is a superhero and the king of the fictional nation of Wakanda. He possesses extraordinary strength, speed, and agility thanks to a special herb and his suit made of vibranium, the strongest metal in the world. He is also known as a smart and brave warrior. Captain Marvel is a superhero with incredible powers, including the ability to fly, shoot energy from her hands, and immense physical strength. She is one of the most powerful heroes in the Marvel Universe. Venom is an iconic alien symbiote from Marvel, best known through its bond with its human host, Eddie Brock, and its complicated relationship with Spiderman. Thanos is a supervillain who is incredibly powerful in the Marvel Universe. He is a Titan who is highly intelligent and ambitious to collect all the Infinity Stones, which give him the power to alter reality and destroy half of all life in the universe. Captain America's main identity is Steve Rogers, a frail man who was enhanced to the peak of human physical perfection thanks to an experimental super soldier serum during World War II. He is often depicted as a symbol of freedom and justice in the United States. Now here we've lined up 3 Captain Americas, and we're going to try crashing into them using this super cool Captain America car. 3 attempts to crash into him, and all 3 successfully knocked down Captain America with the car. Real name is Dr. Bruce Banner, a genius scientist in the field of radiation. He transforms into the Hulk, a giant green creature with extraordinary strength, whenever he feels angry or stressed.
Hulk is strong as there is! Hulk smash!
Hulk is very strong. It's really hard to knock him down. Even the Hulk car couldn't do it after 5 tries. The Captain America car couldn't knock him down either, even after 2 attempts. But when the Iron Man car tried, it managed to knock him down in just 1 attempt. Iron Man's real name is Tony Stark, a billionaire, genius, inventor, and owner of a technology company called Stark Industries. After being seriously injured in a war, Tony created a high-tech suit of armor to save his life and escape from his captors. He then used the suit to fight against evil. Let's assemble 3 Iron Men at once for an experiment. Are they strong enough to withstand the obstacle of an oncoming car, or will all 3 of them fall? And it turns out that none of them could withstand the Iron Man car, whose power is extremely strong and speed incredibly fast. Spider-Man's real identity is Peter Parker, a teenager who gained superpowers after being bitten by a spider exposed to radiation. The powers Spider-Man possesses include the ability to climb walls, extraordinary strength, and a spider sense that alerts him to danger. Peter also created webbing to help him swing quickly through the city and to capture enemies. This is Spider-Man's car. It looks really powerful, and we're going to try crashing it into 2 Spider-Men. Who will win, Spider-Man or his own car? It turns out the car is the winner. Spider-Man once wore a black suit that came from an alien symbiote. The suit gave him enhanced powers but also affected his personality, making him more aggressive. When he realized this, Peter chose to remove the symbiote.
Neither will I. This is my power. My responsibility.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.